In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the equalizer in DaVinci Resolve. If you're working on your audio and want more control over how it sounds, opening the equalizer is a great place to start. The equalizer, often called EQ, lets you adjust different frequency ranges in your audio, which can help clean up dialogue, reduce muddiness, or make certain sounds clearer. In DaVinci Resolve, finding it is very simple once you know where to look. To begin, go to the top right area of the interface. In that section, click on Mixer. As soon as you do that, the mixer panel will appear, and you should see it at the bottom right of the screen. This panel gives you access to the audio controls for the tracks in your project, so if you don't usually work with audio tools, this is the section you'll want to get familiar with. Once the mixer is open, take a look at the tracks shown there. Each track has its own settings and controls, which means you can adjust audio separately depending on the track you want to work on. This is especially useful if, for example, you have dialogue on one track and music on another, because each one can have its own EQ settings. Now find the track you want to adjust and look for the EQ button on that track. When you see it, click it. That will open the equalizer for that specific track. And that's it. That's how you open the equalizer in DaVinci Resolve. A quick tip while you're here, make sure you're selecting the correct track before opening the EQ, because the equalizer only applies to the track where you clicked the button. If you don't see the mixer right away, just double-check that you clicked mixer in the top right, since that panel can be shown or hidden depending on your workspace. So again, the process is simple. Go to the top right, click mixer, look at the mixer panel in the bottom right, find your track, and click the EQ button. Once you know where it is, you'll be able to access it very quickly anytime you need to make audio adjustments in your project. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to open the equalizer in DaVinci Resolve.